Hey guys, I want to go over creating posts and show you everything that I can do and how to do things in the platform. So after you finish onboarding, you'll be taken to your content dashboard. And here, this is basically going to be the main dashboard where you can see everything that we're doing and any content that we generated for you and what was posted. So you could see for this brand, we found over 3,000 keywords, and you'll find your keywords here, but also you'll find them in the keywords in the sidebar. So you'll find them as well here. So how Content Post works is that we'll generate content for you every single day. And the way it works is we'll find you keywords, and then we'll find keywords that we think you can rank for based on volume, based on metrics. But at the same time, we give you the ability to change it if you don't want it. And I'll show you how that's done. So here's the view, and here you can see all the articles that we have for this month. And again, you can also do it as a list view as well. So let's go back to the calendar view. And let's say, for example, today, you don't want to use this keyword. You can then just go change it here. And here you'll come up with a filter of all the different keywords that we have available. So let's say we want to do low competition, we want to do high volume. And again, we have different things you could do. So long, usually long tail. So then you can come in here and then you click on it and click on change keyword. And now you'll see that for this keyword, for this day, we'll generate a content brief for you. And in a few seconds, we'll have a content brief that you can look at and see how it works. And then again, you can optionally, again, you can come in here and change it again. Let's say you don't want it anymore. So that's how that would work. So let's go back to the dashboard. And then if you hover over it, you can see that now we have your content brief ready for you. And this is the article that we're going to write for you. So now let's go to keywords. So here is where you can basically do all the keyword research that we have for you. And again, this is where we're unique, is these keywords are actually from Google. So we'll give you the search volume, the competition, we'll give you the bid range if you're interested in the CPC as well. But again, too, since a lot about what we do is automated, you can also reject keywords that you don't want. That way, when we pick keywords for you, we won't pick them. So again, very similar to the other dashboard, you have keywords that are available. You could also see keywords that were used already. You could also see keywords that we rejected. So you have a wide range of statuses here that you can do. And then again, you can see low volume keywords and then long. So here you can come around and play with it and see, and this is useful to see what keywords you might want to use. So let's say you find a keyword, you can then go back to the article day and change it to that one. And the next thing you're going to see is your articles. Articles is exactly what it means. It's what we did for you. And again, you could see where it was published, what keywords we used, what article slug we used, and then any sort of internal or external links that we've added for you automatically. So you have that there. And again, the great thing about this too is that you can download it as HTML, you can download it as Markdown or a TXT file. And again, you can also edit it as well. So in case you want to do something, so typically what most of our customers do is we'll automatically create the article and then post. But we also have the option where you can just save it as a draft or not even add an integration for WordPress, for example. And then you can just come in here, save it, view the article, and then download it and then post it automatically yourself. So next thing we have is internal linking. So internal linking, we use your sitemap. And in here, we're going to be fetching all the links that you have. And then that way, we can then use these links when we're writing the content for you. And again, you can see everything that we have here for you. The next thing we want to do is look at your backlinks. So backlinks is kind of how we will add backlinks to your site based on other people that have a similar topic that they're writing about. So for example, if someone, so May's Law is a law article. When we have other law brands, they write about law articles or they write about something in the space that's similar, we'll link back to you. That way your DR goes up. And again, this helps everybody to increase their SEO rankings. Again, you can either turn off or turn on. And again, you can have the ability to essentially purchase more links if that's needed. And you'll see that all here. The next thing that you might want to look at is going to be your settings. And here's kind of how we write stuff for you. And again, this is what you went through onboarding. But again, you can also come back and change it, add more competitors, change your setup if you want. Maybe you want to update your content tone, anything here, add images, remove images, update your goals, keywords. Again, this is pretty when you want that. and then your integration as well. Again, most of our users use something like WordPress or Webflow or Shopify. So again, you can come in and add it, and then you can change how you want us to do it here. But typically we'll say just use publish. That way it's set it and forget it. And that's the best thing about this. It's kind of very set and forget. And again, you also have option for your CTA here. So you can either come in and edit it or write, say, like visit our site. And then we have the option to set that here. That way you can always get a CTA if you choose to when you're setting up your blog and your content that you want here. So again, here you can also turn it on or off. And again, all these things are automated for you. So that's probably the biggest reason why people want to use this, is because everything's automated for you. But again, that's how the platform works. If you have any questions, let us know.